This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a LibreOffice Writer document into a PDF. Let me jump over to Writer here. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now. I have a little example project here, a little 2-page project to convert a LibreOffice Writer document into a PDF. All you need to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the File tab, click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Export As. Place your cursor over Export As. You go straight off to the right, and you can choose either one of these, Export as PDF or Export directly as PDF. I'm going to choose Export as PDF. A little dialog box opens up. I'm going to click on Export. A little dialog box opens up asking me where I want to export it to. I'm going to choose this location. You can rename your file here. As you can see, save as type, PDF. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Save. I'm going to open that folder where I have the document saved in. Right here is my document, my PDF. I'm going to open that. And there is my document. It has been saved as a PDF. Did a pretty good job on it. That is how to convert a LibreOffice Writer document into a PDF. Thanks for watching.